Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Fluent English Room, the podcast where we learn English the way people actually use it in real life. I'm Emily.
And I'm Daniel. We are so happy you are here learning with us today. Whether you are listening at home, on a walk, or maybe while you're cooking, thank you for choosing to spend this time with us.
If you are listening today, I want you to take a deep breath. You are in the right place. If English sometimes makes you nervous, today's episode is especially for you. And before we begin, just one small thing. If this podcast helps you even a little, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. When you subscribe, you aren't just supporting us, you are supporting your own English journey.
Absolutely. Today we are tackling one of the most common verbs in English, the verb have. We use it for things, actions, and experiences every single day.
Oh, this word is everywhere, but it confuses almost everyone because it has so many different forms, like have, has, and had. Many learners tell us, Emily, Daniel, I understand these words when I listen, but when I speak, my mind freezes.
That mind freeze is not because you don't know English, it's because you are afraid of mistakes. But relax, today there is no grammar stress, no rules on the board, and no boring definitions. We are going to understand have, has, and had as life moments, not grammar moments.
By the end of this conversation, you'll feel more confident. Not perfect, but confident. And confidence is more important than perfection. Let's start very softly with the present family.
The first one is present simple, have and has. We use these for things we own or things that are generally true. For example, I have brown hair, or you have a nice smile.
Right. Think of these as now words. Daniel, what do you have in your bag today?
Let me check. I have my phone, my keys, and a small notebook.
Nice. And I have my water bottle and my glasses. I always need them. These are general facts, but learners often ask, when do I use has?
It's just have for one other person. He, she, or it. For example, he has a sister, or she has a car.
This part is simple, but many learners make a mistake when they answer. If I ask, do you have a pen? They often say, yes, I have, or no, I not. But in natural English, we use a short answer, yes, I do, or no, I don't. That small do makes a big difference. It sounds clear and confident.
Now let's move to present continuous. Am, is, are, having. We use having for actions happening now or for near future plans. For example, we are having a lesson right now, or I'm having lunch with my sister later today.
But remember the possession rule. We don't use having for things we own. We don't say, I am having a car.
Exactly, we say, I have a car. Use having for actions like, I'm having a great time, or I'm having a problem.
Now, let's gently move to the past, had. Many learners feel scared of had, but actually it is very simple. Had just means the action already happened and is finished.
It's look back English. Daniel, what did you have for breakfast today? I had toast and an egg. Very simple. And yesterday, I had a busy day.
Notice that had is the same for everyone. I had, she had, we had. It lets you talk about your growth and journey.
You can say, I had a lot of fear before, but now I have confidence. That sentence is not weak, it's brave, because it shows progress.
Sometimes you see the famous double had. It sounds funny, but it's correct when one past action finished before another. For example, by the time I finished helping her, I had had a busy morning.
This is the part that often feels serious, but is very useful. Present perfect. Have had. We use it to connect the past with now.
For example, I have had this watch since 2020. That means you had it before and you still have it now.
It's also for life experiences. She has had 3 cups of coffee today. Because today is not finished yet, she might have more.
Think of have had as an experience that lives with you, like saying, I have had many wonderful students. It tells a story of time and effort.
We also have been having. We use this to stress the duration of something that started in the past and is still happening. I have been having headaches all week. The all week shows the duration.
The future often sounds more positive and hopeful.
The most common future form is will have. We use it for predictions or future facts. I think you will have no problem with this lesson. Or, tomorrow, I will have a meeting at 10 a.m.
And for clearer plans and intentions, we use going to have. We are going to have a holiday in July.
There's even a future perfect, will have had. For example, by the time you arrive at 8 p.m., I will have had dinner. The dinner is finished before 8 p.m.
It helps us picture the action finished in the future. By December, you will have had hundreds of conversations in English. Doesn't that feel motivating?
Emily, I have to be honest with you. I think I have a problem.
Oh, really? What kind of problem do you have?
I have an English notebook. That sounds good, but I have had it for 6 months and it's almost empty.
That is a problem. Why have you had it for so long without using it?
I have been having trouble knowing what to write. Every day I think today I will have time to study, but then I don't. I have good intentions, but I haven't had a clear plan.
That happens in real life. Let's make a new rule. Every day you write just one sentence using have. Just one sentence.
That's very easy then. I have no excuse.
Exactly. For example, today you can write, today I have had a good conversation with Daniel. Tomorrow you can write, I am having a busy day at work.
I love that idea. It's small, but I have a better feeling about it now.
Let's imagine another real-life situation. What if you are having dinner at a restaurant tonight? The waiter gives you the menu. What do you say?
I look at the menu and say, I will have the fish, please.
Very good. But the waiter might say, I'm sorry, we have had a very busy night. We have no fish left.
Oh no. Then I say, okay, what do you have?
Perfect. The waiter says, we have chicken or pasta. Then you can say, I will have the chicken, and ask, does it have vegetables?
That's practical. Now, what if my friend calls and says, can I borrow your car? I've had an accident with mine.
You say, of course you can have my car. But you should also say, I have to warn you, it has been having some strange engine noises.
Very responsible. I have to be careful. It's my only car.
Let's look at some very useful phrases with have that you can use right now.
A very common one is, I have an idea. We use it when a thought suddenly comes to mind. And the opposite is, I have no idea, which means you don't know something.
We use have to for obligation or necessity. I have to go to the bank today. For the past, we say, I had to change my plans.
And for being friendly, we say, have a good day, have fun, or have a safe trip.
In social situations, we say having someone over, which means to invite them to your home. We're having friends over on Saturday.
And don't forget idioms. Have it in for someone means someone wants to cause trouble for you. But having a way with something means you are naturally good at it, like she has a way with animals.
We also say have a look to mean looking at something casually, or have a go to mean trying something new.
Emma, I have an idea. Let's play a game.
I'm ready.
We take turns making sentences with different forms of have. I'll start. Present perfect. I have had this phone for 2 years.
Past continuous. Last night I was having a strange dream.
Future perfect. By 2030, we will have had this channel for 10 years.
Present perfect continuous. We have been having this conversation for a long time.
Past perfect. Before I moved here, I had had a different job.
Future continuous. This time next week, I will be having a vacation on the beach.
That sounds lovely. Do you have a vacation planned?
Not yet, but I have a dream. I have had this dream for a long time.
Now it's your turn to speak. This part is very important. Please speak with us. Don't worry about mistakes.
Repeat after me. I have a dream. Repeat after me. I am having a good time. Repeat after me. I have had a busy week.
Repeat after me. I had a great idea yesterday.
Repeat after me. I had already had breakfast.
Repeat after me. I will have more time tomorrow.
Repeat after me. I have to practice English.
Repeat after me. I have confidence in you.
Repeat after me. I have learned a lot today.
You did amazing today. You spoke so much English. Present, past, future, questions, and negatives.
Remember, hearing your own voice in English is very powerful. Try to do this every day, even just 5 or 10 minutes. Small steps bring big confidence.
We believe in you. We have faith in you. Before we go, we have a question of the day. What is one thing you have to do tomorrow?
Write your sentence in the comments. We love reading them. Take a deep breath. You're doing great.
See you in the next conversation.
Bye, everyone.
Take care.